In this lesson, we're going to learn how to rotate a point counterclockwise around the origin, and we're going to do it by 270 degrees. So if we have a problem like this that says rotate point N 270 degrees counterclockwise around the origin, and here's our point N, and let's label it. N has coordinates 2, 6. So x is 2, y is 6. So counterclockwise is this way. Okay, 270 degrees is this amount. So 3/4 of the way. So let's look at this now here. So a 270 degrees rotation counterclockwise around the origin is the same as 90 degrees clockwise around the origin. So instead of going this way all the way, we're just going to go this way because it's easier. Just 90 degrees. You end up in the same spot, right? So now let's take a look at N. Create a box with N and the origin. So let's do that. Here's our little box, okay? So here's the origin, here's N. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kick this box over, and the origin isn't going to move. So as you can imagine, it's like a little lever here that's holding on to this spot. When we kick it down, it's going to look like this, right? The box looks like this. So rotate the box clockwise 90 degrees, keeping the origin fixed, and that's how it'll look. So here's our new N prime is right here. The new coordinates for N prime are 6, minus 2. 6, minus 2. X and Y switch and the Y becomes negative. So that's the rule for rotating a point counterclockwise 270 degrees. What happens is X and Y switch and the Y coordinate becomes negative. So we had 2, 6. Now we switch those two. 6, negative 2. The Y becomes negative. And that's how you do that type of problem. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, I have links to other videos of mine that are like this in the description, so you could check those out. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's actually a link in the ebook that'll take you right to this lesson. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.